In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings. God willing, we will make chocolate sauce together today in a very easy way and with very economical ingredients. The first thing I have is a cup of oil. I also have a cup of powdered sugar. I have half a cup of cocoa. I have a pinch of salt, and I have between half to 3/4 of a cup of milk, depending on the thickness we want. If we want it thick, we will use half a cup of milk. If we want it lighter, we will use 3/4 of a cup of milk. Let's start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We will add the milk, cocoa, powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and oil. I will simply have some vanilla. I will add a little bit of flavorful liquid vanilla, about a teaspoon. I will blend all of this in the mixer. This is what our economical chocolate sauce looks like after blending it in the mixer. Mashallah, it turned out shiny, thick, and very beautiful. And the quantity, mashallah, is large. It only took about 5 minutes to prepare. Give it a try. And God willing, you will like it. Enjoy your meal and get well soon.